good, y'all? It's Ollie Marie, and I'm who you want to see, and I'm back again with another video. I'm so excited to be sitting down with y'all again today. I missed y'all so much. So much. I know y'all probably like, this girl lying. She don't miss her. She never wait for my video. It's not true. It's not the case. Okay? It's not the case. But I'm so happy to be back doing this no makeup look again. What y'all thought? Y'all thought I had makeup on? Y'all thought I had makeup on? Oh, boom. Yeah, I do. So we back with this no makeup look today. We under quarantine, but you know, we still trying to be quarantine cuties. Like, we still trying to step in online class like that biatch. We still trying to look cute, feel good. You know, when you look good, you feel good, y'all. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I already did my brows. You know, we had to go ahead and get the brows started. If you want to know how I did them, you can go ahead and watch my affordable eyebrow tutorial on my channel. Nothing has changed. So we're going to go ahead and start. First thing we're going to do is prep our face. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. matte putty primer. This is a more affordable dupe for the Tatcha primer that I was always using, y'all, and I'm really messing with it. And this is the matte one. So they have an original one and they have a matte one. But I found the original one was always making me oily. I do have naturally oily skin, but I say lately it's been more combination than oily. But still, I do get oil in my T-zone. So that's where I put this for the most part. Around my nose, my chin, and my forehead, and then I just dip in it. But make sure y'all's hands are clean. If you ain't learned nothing in the last few months, please wash your hands, because it don't make no sense. So we're just putting this all over our face, and I'm really just like pushing it in, making sure it's evenly distributed. So what I would like to do, I'm going for a no makeup look today, which means I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. And I don't know how hard it is for me not to do any eyeshadow. I might do a little something in my crease, but for the most part, I'm not doing anything drastic. So what I like to do is use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and it's in the shade Dark 40. I use it, and what I'll do is I'll put a little dot on my eyes, because I have oily eyelids, and nobody ever talks about oily eyelids, y'all. Like, nobody ever talks about them. I'm just gonna blend this in, and what this does, after I blend it in and everything, it's gonna give me an even base as if I was putting on eyeshadow, but I'm gonna just set it with some setting powder, y'all. So we going in and we doing that, because oily eyelids is not cute. That's not cute. So after that, y'all should have a pretty matte base. And I'm just kind of blending in where the concealer was under my brows and making everything matte. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my setting powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. I'm gonna take a little bit of that on my under eye powder brush, just a little, and set my eyelids so that concealer don't crease. And there, a no eyeshadow look, just like that. You know, we in the house, we ain't trying to do too much, but we trying to be cute. Can y'all see? Yeah. So after that's done, eyelids set. They not going nowhere. They not sweating today, no matter how long we in this house. We're gonna go ahead and start with our foundation. So the first thing I'm gonna do with my foundation, as usual, is I'm going to carve out the top of my eyebrows. I do it with my foundation for a more natural look, and we're going for a no makeup look, so we need all the natural we can get today, sis. And the foundation I'm gonna use today is 430 in the Milani Screen Queen. I really like this foundation. It's meant as like the whole concept of it is a digital blue light filter from when you like use your phone or you're on the computer too much. I'm not exactly sure if that's accurate or if it really does work for that. I wonder how you would be able to test that. But for the most part, I really like it. I really like the shade ranges, and I like the coverage and everything. It's a really nice foundation, and since we are on social media more of the time now, I'd say that that's a pretty darn good concept. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It feels so good to be back talking to y'all. Like, I missed y'all. I really did. And y'all like my little bootleg ponytail? I did it today. It took me like 15 minutes, you know, a little at home, little quarantine cutie type vibe, you know the vibes. But anyway, so we finished with the brows. So now we're just gonna take the foundation and dot it all over. I like to dot it straight out the tube. And remember, we're going for a no makeup look. So in my opinion, for this look, less is more. This is a natural finish foundation, so it's not like anything too full coverage or anything. So I feel like this is perfect for this type of look. Y'all see how pretty this foundation is though? Like, it's literally like my skin, but so much better. And y'all, my skin is clearing up tremendously. I don't know if y'all noticed. But your girl's skin is definitely clearing up. I really want to do a video on how I cleared up my skin, because in my opinion, I had like mild cystic acne. Like, it was disgusting. And there's nothing worse than acne. Like, y'all, it just sits on your face. It ruins your confidence. And your makeup doesn't apply the same. Like, it really doesn't. So let me know if y'all want a video on how I cleared my skin, because I cleared it and I cleared it fast, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, it happened so rapidly. I say in about 2 weeks, if that. But like, I started seeing a difference in a week, not even, like maybe 4 or 5 days. Look at this foundation. Let's just take a second and just admire this. This is so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. And y'all, it's only like $13. I think from Ulta it's $13. And it's just so, it's a good foundation. Look how cute this packaging is. Like, and it's like expensive. Like, feels expensive and everything. So after that is done, we're gonna go ahead and conceal, because even though we still in the house, we still gotta cover up our shopping bags, sis. We can't be up in here with shopping bags like that. So I'm gonna go back in with my ColourPop concealer. We're just gonna get under the eye, and not too much. Not too much is eye. But gonna get the chin, a little bit on the forehead, and then we're gonna do a little line down the nose. So we're gonna let that sit for a second, and then we're gonna go in and blend it out. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. And I love this concealer. I will say this every time I order this concealer. I love it because it just blends so seamlessly. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. It just literally melts into your skin. Alright, after you conceal to your liking, we're gonna go ahead and set that concealer so it doesn't crease. We're gonna go back in with that Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. I really like this for a no makeup because it is a natural skin finish, and it is so fine, y'all, that it literally just melts into the skin. Like, look at that. Can y'all see this? Like, can y'all really see this? Like, do I need to come up close? Can y'all see this? There's nothing there. After that, I'm gonna take some of the Morphe setting spray and just spray my face so everything kind of melts in all nicely. Ooh, that was so refreshing. Y'all, put it in the little fridge. My friend got me a little skincare fridge. You need to try that. Put that setting spray in the fridge, y'all. Feels so good. Girl, how you looking? How you living? I like it. So after your setting spray has dried down, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and contour. So I'm gonna take my Lorac Pro palette, and then we're just gonna go in with the medium, deep, and the light, mix them all together, and go ahead and chisel out that cheekbone, sis. I like to use a powder as opposed to a cream or a liquid because it's just more natural, it's more soft. So, And I know this is crazy, y'all, but when I have like a ponytail going on one side and you can only see one side, only do one side. Like, what's the point? You're not gonna be able to see the other. I'm full ratchet ponytail doing bad, y'all. Act like y'all don't see it. Just act like you don't see it. After that's done, I'm gonna go in and put a little mascara on my lashes just to prep them for my falsies. This is the They're Real Fit. And I love how it like separates and elongates your lashes. These make you look like you got a little something, something. I don't really have nothing there. I'm trying to decide if I want a wing liner or not. I think I want a wing, y'all. I want a wing. I do. I want a wing. Why not? Why not? I'm gonna go ahead with the NYX That's the Point liner, and this is like the fat one. This is like the one that looks like a marker. I don't know if you can see it. It has that marker tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner. Y'all know I can't do it with y'all watching me, so I'll be right back. Didn't they know what to say? So I've been into these Kiss lashes lately. Like, y'all, Kiss makes some bomb lashes. Like, when I say bomb, I mean bomb. Like, they look so expensive, they look so luxurious, and they're only like $6 or $7. So I think I'm gonna go with chiffon since I'm going for a no makeup makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm feeling myself. So I'll put the lashes on and I went ahead and did my lips. I used the Morphe lip gloss in Chill and the Morphe lipstick in Boo. Y'all know this is my go-to combination. I didn't use a lip liner today, but now that I'm looking at the look, I do want to go in with some highlights. So I'm going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and it's just going to be real neutral. I'm going in with the color Bronze, which is this brown over here in the corner, and we're just going to do a little light sign. Yup. That did it. So y'all, this is my first time trying this. I'm so excited. It's the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Heard a lot about it. It smells good. Alright, we're gonna let this sit down and dry. I also went in and put some more mascara on my bottom lashes. And yes, what do y'all think? I feel like my skin smells. That setting spray smells good. It smells like fresh coconuts. Look, infused with coconut water. So, infused with coconut water, glycerin, and apple extract. I like it. Smells really good. But yeah, y'all like the look? I'm really feeling it. Oh my gosh, I like it. Yes, I love everything about this look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and y'all come back again for more, because I do have more videos in store for y'all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some feedback. I want to know. I want to know what I'm doing right. I want to know what I'm doing wrong. I want to know what you guys want to see. I want to know everything. I'm in online class right now, so once I finish that, I have nothing but time on my hands. So just let me know your ideas and what y'all would like to see, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye bye.